Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with the latest video. And in this video we are going to talk about Windows 7. We will also discuss how the end of support by Microsoft for Windows 7 will affect the users. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link in description below. So it's time to officially say goodbye to Windows 7 because Microsoft on 14th of January ended all the support for Windows 7. First of all, let's talk a little bit about the history of Windows 7. So Windows 7 was manufactured in July 2009 and was officially made available in October of the same year. It was made to replace its predecessor Windows Vista and the legendary Windows XP. Despite the launch of Windows 8, Windows 7 was the most popular operating system from 2011 to 2017, and in May 2017 it was replaced by Windows 10. Now let's talk about the consequences this will have on the users of Windows 7. According to reports, still around 16% of the people around the globe are using Windows 7 operating system. So if you are one of the users who still use Windows 7, then you guys have come to the right place. First of all, let me tell you that you guys don't need to rush and pay $130 and buy Windows 10, because you can still use Windows 7, but the only problem you will face is that you will not get any further updates, which simply means that your data will be more prone to malwares. So if you want to still stick to Windows 7, I would suggest you to spend some money and buy a strong antivirus, because in the past when Microsoft suspended the support for Windows XP, it was massively attacked by malwares and a lot of people had to suffer. So once again, I recommend you to install an antivirus if you want to stick to Windows 7. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys like the video, then please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 20 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.